What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Now, inside this video, what I want to do is share with you what I truly believe to be the best high-ticket affiliate marketing business to invest in 2019. Now, if you're watching this video, chances are you probably already know something about affiliate marketing or high-ticket affiliate marketing. Basically, if you don't know, to get you up to speed, essentially it's where you can promote products online that you don't have to create. You don't have to create the sales pages. All you do is find products that are already created online. You find people that are interested in those products, and when you recommend those products to those people and they buy through your affiliate link, which is just a customized link, you actually get a portion of that money. Now, high ticket affiliate marketing is where you basically can earn $250 or more per commission. So what I'm going to do inside this video is, after 5 long years online and trying dozens of different high ticket affiliate marketing businesses, what I'm going to do inside this video is first off share with you what I look for in a high ticket affiliate marketing business, and then the number one business that I recommend you think about highly investing into, because this business is changing the game, as you'll see in a second. Okay, so first off, before I dive in, if you're brand new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest affiliate marketing and business training, be sure to subscribe below if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest training. And last but not least, let me go ahead and dive in. So just to share some proof real quick, you can see right here that today it's only 8:23 a.m. at the time of recording this. So today I'll definitely be earning quite a bit here. But you can see that just a few days ago, I was able to generate over $2,200, okay, $2,225 in a single day, just using the high ticket business that I'm about to reveal to you. Okay, so what I'm sharing with you actually works, and as you stay tuned, you're gonna see the power of this. Okay, so if I go to this whiteboard app, you can see right here, I said best high ticket affiliate marketing business to invest in. And there's actually 3 factors that you want to consider when you go to look for one to invest in. Now, I say invest in because honestly, if you truly want to create a business online, it takes an investment, right? You have to invest. If you were to start a business offline like a McDonald's or own like a Starbucks franchise, you would have to invest up to $1 million, and you may not make back your money within the first 5 years. The cool thing with high ticket affiliate marketing is when you invest into that business, it's definitely not going to take anywhere near even $5,000 in a lot of cases, okay? And you can make back your money within your very first 30 days, which is unheard of when it comes to most businesses. Now, again, these 3 factors are what I personally look for over the last 5 years. It's what every other top leader I know that I've rubbed shoulders with, that are my friends, my colleagues, it's what we all agree upon. And the first factor is how much per sale can you make? Okay, so what I mean here is essentially when you go out there to promote a high ticket affiliate marketing business, how much money is the highest price that you can actually make? Okay, now obviously the more the better. Now, usually with high ticket affiliate marketing businesses, you have to actually pay to play, which basically means you have to invest, and the level that you invest into is the level that you earn at. So you want to take that in mind. Now, ideally, I recommend, depending on your income goal, you find a high ticket affiliate marketing business to invest in that pays you at least $1,000 per sale. Okay, the reason being is if you have a goal, let's say of $10,000 a month, maybe $20,000 a month, that you want to make online. Well, if you promote something that's about $1,000 or even a little bit more, it's not going to take you a lot of sales to hit your income goal. See, the beauty of high ticket affiliate marketing, rather than just promoting something that only pays you $25 or even $100, is if you have a $10,000 per month income goal, it only takes 10 people, okay, at a $1,000 commission to hit that goal. Now, a lot of people ask me, Garrett, is it harder to actually sell a product that's more money? And the shocking kind of counterintuitive thing is it's actually easier. See, when you promote something that's a lot less money, the people that you attract are going to give you all these questions of, oh, why do I have to invest? And, oh, is this real? And, I don't get paid till Friday. Okay, but if you start promoting something that's more valuable, that's a little bit higher price, the people that you're going to attract, the people that can actually afford it, are going to have a better mindset, and they already understand they need to invest. They already understand they need to, borrow the money, charge a credit card, do whatever they got to do to get in and start to go through the training and change their life, right? So 1,000, but I also recommend up to about 2,000 is really good. Okay, because again, most serious people can find $1,000 or $2,000 to invest into themselves. And that's what I personally recommend. Now, the second factor though, because this is where it really gets down to how do you select, because quite a bit of affiliate marketing businesses out there that are high ticket will pay you $1,000 to $2,000, but here's where it gets really important for you to pay close attention, because I have people, friends that are in other popular high ticket affiliate marketing businesses, and I'm not going to mention any names, but a lot of so-called gurus on YouTube are even in these same businesses, and a lot of them have actually been reaching out to join me because they see the difference. And what you have to realize is the second factor you want to consider is what percent per commission are you paid? Now, what do I mean by that? Well, when you go out there and promote any affiliate marketing product, what you have to realize is they will pay you a percentage of the money that you generate. So what I mean by that very simply is, let's say you go out there and you're promoting a product that's $1,000, okay? Cost someone $1,000 to invest. Well, some companies will only pay you, okay, 50%. 50% commissions. So you go out there, you do the work of promoting, of marketing, on attracting people, you convert that person into a sale, and they'll only pay you $500 out of that $1,000. So they're gonna take $500 away from you doing the hard work, okay? A lot of affiliate marketing businesses are even less. So you go out there, you promote something that's $1,000, some, and actually many, will maybe only give you 30% commissions, okay? So 30%, that's gonna be $300 that they're paying you, okay? So you can see that they're taking $700 of your money that you did the work to do, and you're not getting to keep it, okay? So I look for what program, what high ticket business is gonna actually give me the most amount per commission. Okay, and what I'm going to share with you in a second, and there's going to be a link directly below this video, so at any time feel free to click that link and just see my #1 recommended business, as well as all the incredible bonuses I give people when they do join me in this. But essentially, the one that I'm going to share with you, when you make a $1,000 sale, you don't just give away 70% of it, you don't give away 50%, you literally get to keep 100% of the money. The business I'm going to share with you is 100% commissions. Okay, this is absolutely incredible. So what that means is, you make a $1,000 sale, you get to keep $1,000. You make a $2,000 sale, you get to keep 100% of that, or that's right, $2,000. Okay, so you definitely want to consider that, whether you decide to join me in the business I'm going to share with you, or you go out there and you do the work yourself of the manually researching and stuff like that to find a business. You want to keep these in mind, because a lot of people don't realize they're leaving stacks on the table. And then the last factor is, how quickly are you paid? How quickly are you paid? So when you go out there and you make an affiliate commission, how quickly are you paid that money? How quickly do you get your hands on that money? Now, a lot of businesses out there, again, even some popular ones that you've probably heard of, and I'm not going to mention any names because I don't want to down on anything, but essentially, you go out there and you don't get the money for 2 weeks, sometimes up to 1 month. They will actually hold your money. So you get excited, you make that sale, and some of you are going to relate as you're watching this video. You make that sale, you get excited, and then you realize you may only get paid twice a month or at every 30 days. And that feels like a punch in the gut, because here you are excited for that money. You're imagining yourself spending it, you're imagining yourself investing it, and you're not able to get access to it. So I look for, which is incredibly rare, and again, the business that I found does do that, what I look for is getting paid that day, okay, or instantly paid. So I look for a business that when I'm invested into it, it will pay me instantly. I don't have to wait a week. I don't have to wait 2 weeks. When I make a sale, when you make a sale, you get that money into your bank account instantly, okay? So it's absolutely incredible. Now that we know the 3 factors that I personally look for in a high-ticket affiliate marketing business to invest in, what business have I discovered after 5 long years online that actually has all of this done for you? Well, if you don't know, if you haven't seen my videos, there's a business called Easy One Up, okay? Now I've been able to generate over $48,000 so far, and this is instantly paid. When I made a sale, I got to keep the money. The reason I've been able to make so much money is because I'm making consistent $1,000 and $2,000 commissions with the same amount of work you would do if you went to ClickBank or some other lower paying affiliate marketing program. Okay, so Easy One Up. Now, there's going to be a link again directly below this video. It can't hurt to take a look, because what you want to realize is this business pays you 100% commissions instantly paid into your bank account. Now, you can choose how you want to be paid. If you want to get paid through PayPal, if you want to get paid through Stripe, this is a Stripe account. Whatever you want to get paid by, you can do that, and you can get the money as fast as possible. Now, Easy One Up, I have a lot of videos covering it, but very quickly, what the products actually are, what the niche actually is it's online marketing training. So essentially, it teaches you how to get traffic, leads, and sales online to create a multiple 6 and even 7-figure online business. So the cool thing about it is once you invest at the $1,000 to $2,000 level, not only are you getting resale rights to make 100% commissions instantly paid, but you're also learning as you're earning, okay? So you're getting access to training that you would need anyway. So that's why I love this business. Now, I have a video recently that I shared all the incredible bonuses, and again, there's gonna be a link below that's gonna take you to this page where you can check out more. But essentially, when you join me, you're not gonna get left out to dry. In fact, one of the first bonuses is you're gonna get personally mentored by me. Okay, so when you join me, I'm gonna actually be able to help you reach your own tailored specific income goal as fast as possible. You're also gonna get access to our private training site that covers, Instagram marketing secrets, Twitter marketing, YouTube marketing. Okay, what I'm actually doing on YouTube, you're watching this video right now, I share how I rank videos, how I do keyword research, if you've ever wanted to know how to do that. And this is free as a bonus just for coming in and positioning yourself properly inside of Easy One Up. Facebook marketing secrets, okay, and you can see all the proof, and even more, okay, our done for you system. Okay, you may have seen videos that I talked about the FunnelX ROI system. This is actually a system that will help you sell Easy One Up. Okay, so it actually works with Easy One Up. You get access to our Facebook team group if you ever have questions, okay, et cetera, et cetera. Again, you can find out more information at the link below. But this is why I recommend it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. If you got value, be sure to click the like button below to let me know to make more. If you have any questions also on Easy One Up or how this works, comment below. I'd love to help you understand this better. And subscribe also if you haven't already so you never miss out on my latest videos. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the link below. Take care, my friend.